everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. I'm Katie Mixon. I love sharing videos to help busy moms to slow down and to simplify their lives so that you don't feel like you have to spend all of your time cleaning and organizing. Today I'm going to be doing a bit of spring cleaning. I have several areas that I really want to tackle, but it's always more fun to do chores like this with a friend. So if you have an area that you've been wanting to declutter or organize or clean, or maybe you even just have laundry to fold or a pile of dishes waiting for you, you can put this video on while you tackle that so that we can feel accomplished together. Before we get started, be sure to like this video and subscribe down below. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I am going to do is to undecorate. Easter is over and I have a bit of Easter decor that I'd like to put down and pack away so that I can clean and dust underneath it. I'm actually really excited because this is the last holiday that I really actually decorate for until fall season. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything away and then clean the surfaces and just get it back to that nice clean slate for the rest of spring and summer. The next thing that I'm going to tackle is actually probably the most time-consuming thing on my list and something that I've been putting off for a long while. So these are my bathroom walls and they just look very dirty. I'm not sure if it's soot from perhaps lighting a candle in here so often, but you can visibly see the brownish gray streaks on the wall. And so they've just been needing to be scrubbed down for a while. So I'm just going to go ahead and scrub this down. I'm using the pink stuff. It's one of my favorite cleaning solutions. And I'm using hot water as well. And I'm just going to go over these walls and try to remove as much of this as I possibly can. It did take a good while to go over it and actually scrub all of it off the walls. And so this is partly why I've been putting this off for so long. And it is pretty difficult because most of it is actually above my head as well. So I'm just really glad that I have a chance to tackle this and get it nice and clean. And it's going to be a huge relief to have this project done. While I was up here, I also found that the top of our little medicine cabinet thing was pretty gross. I'm not sure if this is candle wax or soap or something, but I did end up scrubbing a good amount of that off as well. It was kind of tricky to get off, but with a little bit of elbow grease, I was able to get this clean. I'm just not tall enough to have ever seen the top of this cabinet before, so it's funny how dirt just accumulated there and I'm just now noticing this. The next thing I'm going to tackle is my bedroom slash office. It's been getting progressively more messy, so I'm just going to do some tidying. I'm going to vacuum the floors, and then I'm going to wash the floors as well.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed.
They are actual hardwood floors, so I'm going to use Murphy oil soap and just give it a really good scrub down and clean.
I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set the world on fire, world on fire.
The next thing on my list to do is to wash the curtains. These have been up for at least a year, probably a few years, and I don't think I've ever washed them since I hung them, so I'm sure that they are full of dust. So if I can remember how to remove this curtain rod, I'm going to take the curtains off and put them in the wash. Next, I'm going to go around the house and wash all of the windows and the mirrors. This is something that doesn't get done as often as I'd like, so I'm glad that I'm able to tackle it now and to get all of those clean as part of spring cleaning. Sanitize the doorknobs. This is something that probably didn't really ever occur to me to do prior to COVID, but I did it a lot then, and so now I try to do it every once in a while, because if you think about it, doorknobs are a high traffic area and we're often touching them when our hands are dirty, if we're coming in from running errands or from outside. And so it just makes sense that that would be a place that would accumulate a lot of germs and bacteria. So I like to go around and sanitize them on a somewhat regular basis. So I'm just going to go around the house with a sanitizing wipe and do all of the doorknobs. Finally, I'm going to rehang the curtains that I washed. They are all clean and dry now, so I'm going to put those back on the curtain rods and rehang them up. So much for watching today's video. I hope that you got a lot done and feel as accomplished as I do. Even if you don't get everything done that you hoped to, you can look at the progress you've made for spring cleaning and all the things that you are able to do and accomplish that are clean now, and you can be proud of yourself for the hard work that you put in. My hope is that some of these tasks can also help to lighten your mental load or your day-to-day stress, and hopefully they will stay clean a little bit longer than just one day. I know that can be tough sometimes when you have kids. Before you go, be sure to like and subscribe down below, and if you ring that little bell button, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video so that you won't miss anything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you very soon in the next video.